Okay, on to our core investor of the year. And I'd like to call up Dietrich Kittel from BPP Deutsche Pfandbrief Bank to give this award away.
And the nominees: Atrium European Real Estate, CEE Global Investors, CPI Property Group, DDS, EPP, Ulster Open-Ended Investment Fund, Europa Capital, Invest for Real Estate, Rayco, and WP Carey.
So welcome back, and thank you for helping us hand out this award.
It's a great event, I have to say.
Thank you, thank you.
And the winner is Core Investor of the Year, Atrium European Real Estate.
Welcome to the stage, welcome back.
Yeah, you're right.
We're the statement from the stairs. So as Rolling Stones says, you cannot get what you want, but you try sometimes, you find you can get what you need. We need it to get it. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations, and come join us for a photo.